In TypeScript, types present in one module can be exported to other modules. Any declaration such as variable, function, class, type alias, or interface can be exported by adding the export keyword, as shown in the example. Export statements are handy when exports need to be renamed for consumers. I'm going to create a new TypeScript file from the Explorer. The file name is iCalculator.ts. This file I'm going to use it for creating an interface iCalculator. This interface will have 4 method declarations. First one is add, which is going to accept A as an input parameter and B as an input parameter. Both are going to be of number data type, and it is going to return a number as a value. Similarly, in line number 3, I am going to create a function sub, which is going to perform subtraction operation. It is also going to accept A and B as input parameter, both of number data type, and it is going to return a number value. Similarly, I am going to create one for multiplication in line number 4 and one for division in line number 5. In order to use this interface outside this TypeScript file, I have to export this interface. In order to export this interface, in line number 1, I say export. I am going to create another TypeScript file with name calculator. The idea of creating this calculator.ts is to create a class with name calculator, which is going to implement the iCalculator interface. So once I say class space calculator implements iCalculator, the Visual Studio Code automatically includes the line number 1, which is going to import the iCalculator type from iCalculator.ts file. So we should say import open curly braces and then the interface name closed curly braces, and then we should use the from keyword and we should say iCalculator. I am implementing the iCalculator interface. I can see all the 4 methods I have got implemented. I am going to modify the add method at line number 5, saying return A plus B, and subtract method at line number 8, saying return A minus B. Similarly, at line number 11, I am going to say return A into B. At line number 14, I say return A divided by B. I have implemented the interface. I have given the definition for all the implemented methods. In line number 19, I am going to use the export keyword and say export calculator type. I'm going to create a new file with name mycalculator.ts. At line number 1, I say let x be a number with the value 5. Line number 2, I say let y be a number with value 5. At line number 4, I say let obj equal to new calculator. Automatically, the VS Code adds line number 1 import calculator type from calculator.ts. Basically, at line number 4, I am creating an object for the class calculator. At line number 8, I say console.log addition of two numbers colon. Using the object, I am accessing the add method and passing x and y as parameters. At line number 9, I am saying console.log subtraction of two numbers colon, and then I say object.sub and passing x and y as input parameter. At line number 10, I say console.log multiplication of two numbers colon, and I will access the multiplication method by saying obj.mul and pass x and y as input parameter. At line number 11, I am going to perform the division task by calling obj.div and pass x and y as input parameter. So basically, I have accessed all the 4 interface methods that is implemented in the class calculator. Now let us try and run this program by saying tsc space mycalculator.ts. Once I do this, it will create me the corresponding JavaScript files as shown in the left hand side in the Explorer. Now I say mode space mycalculator and I see the expected output. Addition is 10, subtraction is 0, multiplication gives me 5 into 5 which is 25, and division returns me the value 1. So basically we created a calculator type and exported it and then imported the same in the mycalculator.ts file. TypeScript provides us an option of creating alias for any type which we are going to export. In line number 19, I say export calculator as calc. In mycalculator.ts file, at line number 1, I say import calc. Similarly, in line number 7, I use calc for instantiating the object. Now when I try and run the program in the terminal window, I should see the same output which I saw when using the actual class name calculator. Creating alias is purely for convenience for the programmer. Just like how we created an alias in calculator.ts when exporting the type, we can create an alias in line number 1 in mycalculator.ts by saying import calc as calc.obj. Similarly, in line number 7, I say let obj equal to new calc.obj, where calc.obj is the alias that we created during the import operation. Now when I run the program, I should see the same output. I say node space my calculator. As you can see, I am seeing the same output. Each module can optionally export a default export. Default exports are marked with the keyword default, and there can be only one default export per module. Default exports are imported using a different import form. In calculator.ts file, I am removing the line number 19. At line number 3, I say export default before the class keyword. I go back to the mycalculator.ts file and I modify the line number 1 by saying import calculator from calculator ts file. I am using the quick fix option and I can see the line number 1 is modified and there is no problems in problems window. By this way, we can use the export default option for exporting a type. In calculator.ts file, at line number 19, I am creating a new class calc device. I mention manufacturer as a string property at line number 20 and model as a string property at line number 21 and price as a number property at line number 22. At line number 25, I export the calc device type. I go back to the mycalculator.ts file and I am creating an object for calc device at line number 11. When I use the quick fix, I can see at line number 1 the type calc device has got imported from the calculator.ts file. The only difference I see between the export default type and export type is the curly braces. Using the export keyword in TypeScript, we can export only values as well. I create a TypeScript file value.ts and I say export default space 1 2 3 4 5. So we are exporting only the value 1 2 3 4 5 at line number 1. I go back to the mycalculator.ts and say import NUM from value.ts file. At line number 19, I say console.log default export value and say NUM. I go to the terminal window and compile the mycalculator.ts file by saying tse space mycalculator.ts and say node space mycalculator. I can see the value that I exported from the value.ts file.